This is the backwards loop cast on. So you're going to make a slip knot. You don't need a very long tail for this cast on because you're not going to be using it for anything other than sewing it in later. So then you'll want your needle in your right hand, tighten the slip knot, and you'll actually, I need to flip this around because you'll want your working yarn in the front, and then you'll hold that in your left hand. And now, I've already started doing it, you wrap it around your thumb so it goes around the back of your thumb, and then swing your needle tip around and move the loop from your thumb to the needle, and you've cast on the second stitch. Your loop counts as the first stitch. So then we're going to do that again. So here you are holding the working yarn in your left hand. So now you scoop your thumb under so it wraps around the back, and then slide the needle tip around the front of your thumb and place the loop. And then cast on as many stitches as you need to, pulling them together but not making them too tight, otherwise it'll make your cast on edge tight. That's backwards loop cast on.